Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, it seems that some little things are popping up in terms of issues with Patch Tuesday updates. According to the Feedback Hub and some blog posts, including some Reddit posts, there's quite a few things that are popping up. Microsoft has not acknowledged any of it, but one of the first issues is with, of course, if you look at the updates, the Patch Tuesday updates installed a couple of weeks ago. And if you look at your Windows update and go into the update history, you will see that KB5050009 is what was installed. If you had it on the first day, you had it on January 14th, could have had it in the few days that followed. Now, this apparently is causing an issue with Bluetooth devices for some. So if you have been using Bluetooth devices and noticed that they stopped working, and even if you uninstall it, reinstall it, whatever you try to do, it just doesn't want to work. It just doesn't want to fix itself. It could have something to do with this update for Patch Tuesday. Now, I don't recommend uninstalling it if that's the only thing and it doesn't matter too much for you. But if you absolutely need to install, either install or work with a Bluetooth device that stopped working, from what I see in most of the blog posts, the only way to deal with it is to go into your Windows updates, and in the update history, you go down, there's uninstall updates in the settings. And what most people say that what they done is they actually uninstalled the KB5050009 update. And once they restarted, it actually worked. The Bluetooth came back. So definitely something is wrong with this update for anybody that might have problems with Bluetooth devices. So not everyone, and I have not made any observations of a specific Bluetooth device. Sometimes it has to do with a manufacturer-specific Bluetooth device. It doesn't seem to be aligning with a specific one, but it could also be maybe the type of Bluetooth device that you're using. So if you got that issue, well, that is a unfortunate fix because it actually makes you vulnerable to the different problems that we have in security, but hopefully Microsoft will look into this and fix the issues. We know that there's going to be this week the first bug fixing updates of 2025, so hopefully maybe something in there, but definitely if you got a Bluetooth device that stopped working in January, the Patch Tuesday update is to blame. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.